Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you everything you will need to start your own lip gloss company right under $50. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first website that I want to start with is a website called TKB Trading. A lot of you may know about this website and a lot of you may not, but this is a website that everybody goes to start off making lip gloss, and this is actually the website I use to start making my lip gloss. As you can see, they have anywhere from pigments to oils to any type of ingredient that you'll need to make any type of cosmetic that you're looking for to make. But for the sake of this video, we're going to shop for things that we're going to need to start making our lip gloss. So the first thing I want to do is go to the ingredients. The first ingredient that we're going to need to start making our lip gloss is, of course, the Versagel lip gloss base. This one is very popular. I see a lot of YouTubers using this lip gloss base to start off making their lip glosses. As you can see, they have different size bags of the Versagel. But to get started, we're going to start with the 5.5 ounce bag of Versagel. I think that we're going to start off with 3 bags. We may not need that many. It depends on how many wand tubes or squeeze tubes that we get, so we may not use that many. We're going to go ahead and add that to our cart. Right now our balance is $17.85, not too bad. The next thing that I want to do is get some flavoring oil. They have a couple of different kind of flavoring oil, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to get the strawberry oil to start with. It's only $1.80, not too bad. We'll start with the half fluid ounce of that. So if you want more, you can get more, but you know, we're just going to start off with a little bit. The next thing that we're going to do is look for some oils to help to add with our Versagel. So coconut oil is an oil that you can consider. I'm using, it's only $2.65, not too bad, just for a little small amount of it. And we're going to also add some castor oil to our cart. Not too bad, only $1.65 for 2 fluid ounces. Like I say, you can either use castor oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any type of oil that you want, but you do want to add some type of oil to the lip gloss base because it is really thick. And as you can see, they do have a couple of more types of oil, like vitamin E, avocado oil, whatever you're interested in, they have it. So you can pretty much try whatever type of oil that you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to start with these 2 oils, but you can switch it up if you need to. Now, as for tools and equipment, you're going to need some syringes to put your lip gloss base inside your wand tubes or inside your squeeze tubes, whatever you decide to get. Now let's just start off with probably 3 syringes, and the little syringes come with like the little pipettes, so that it makes it easier to put your lip gloss base into your wand tubes or your squeeze tubes, whatever you decide to use. And as you can see, they have a ton of more things. You can choose any of these, whatever you want to choose to use, but for this video we're just gonna get 3 syringes for right now. Now, as for lip gloss tubes, I'm just gonna put in my search bar lip gloss tubes. They don't have a whole lot of tubes, a whole lot of choices, but they do have a couple of things. Now, they have the squeeze tubes in 2 different sizes. I really like the flat top squeeze tubes because they're a little bit bigger in size, so I think that's what we're going to go with, the flat top squeeze tubes. They start at $5.65 for 10 tubes. I think we're going to start off maybe buying 2 sets of those 10 tubes. So we're going to get 20 tubes for roughly $12. And if you want to get more, you can, but it just depends on your budget. And for the sake of this video, we're trying to stay under $50. So we got our tubes. Right now we have our tubes, we have our syringes, we have our castor oil, we have our coconut oil, and we have our Versagel. Now, and flavoring oil as well. And we're at $46.20, which is not too bad. Not too bad. We're still under our $50 mark. Now here's a little chart that kind of shows you the different ounces of Versagel, well, the different sizes of Versagel. We have the 5.5 fluid ounces of Versagel, and it says right here that we can make 18 tubes. Now we only bought 20 tubes, and we bought 3 bags of Versagel. So I think that I'm gonna take off 1 bag of Versagel and just start off with 2 bags, because you never know if you might mess up. You just never know. And right now our total is at $40.25. Not too bad to start off with Versagel. We'll start off making our lip glosses, because this is an easy way to practice. If you think you've pretty much can do it on your own and you don't have to practice, this is a very good starting kit to start off making lip glosses. Now if you want to add a couple of things to your lip gloss, like glitter or pigments, I really like using Amazon, because Amazon have all type of things that you can use. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is the mica powder, and this is just like the coloring pigment powder that you can use to put in your lip gloss to give it a little bit of color or a little bit of like sheen, if that makes sense. They have all kind of things you can choose from, but I'm gonna see if we can find a variety pack where you can get a lot of different colors for a really decent price. They have all kind of things, so whatever budget you're looking for, whatever you want to start off with, is really up to you. I'm gonna look at this pack of 24 colors for only $13.99. Really not bad. If I want to start off by making glosses with a little color to it, you can also add. This is a really good one to start with, because you get 24 colors, and they're all like they're all little small sample packs, but you really don't need a whole lot of dye to color your lip gloss, and we already only using a small amount of lip gloss anyway, so you honestly don't need that much coloring. Now the next thing I want to do is show you some loose cosmetic glitter. I really like using Amazon for finding my glitters. I also like to go to AliExpress sometimes. It really just depends on your budget and what you're looking for. And here's a lot of different glitters that you can choose from. Whatever you're interested in, you can get a variety pack of glitters. You can start off with maybe a smaller variety pack. They also have some little color pigments as well, so if you want to use Amazon or wherever you want to use to get your glitters from, you can, but just take your time and like really choose wisely. And a lot of times you probably have glitter and things already in your makeup kit, so I know if you interested in making lip gloss, you have to be interested in doing makeup sometimes, and a lot of times you can just use a little bit of your cosmetic glitter that you have in your makeup kit already to use, because then you're not really spending any extra money buying any other type of glitter. You can just kind of like use what you already have, and that's another good option as well. If you want to stay under that $50 mark, you can just go with the things that we got from TKB Trading and just use that, and just go into your own makeup kit, and some of the glitters that you're not using, you can just kind of like use those glitters. Now here is a couple of more variety packs of glitter. Like if you just want to just buy some, you can do that as well. But here is a lot of cosmetic glitter that you can use to add to your lip gloss base. It is good to use cosmetic glitter and not arts and crafts glitter, because there is a difference. It's a different way that it's cut, and it's also different dyes that can be very harsh to use when you're using like cosmetic glitter. So I really don't recommend you using not cosmetic glitter, but I really don't recommend you using arts and crafts glitter, because arts and crafts glitter are for arts and crafts, not for makeup purposes. So here's some glitter that you can use. Like, this is cosmetic glitter. You can use it for your nails. You can use it for adding to your lip gloss. It's a really good variety pack. You have all types of colors here to start from. So if you wanted to add this to your cart, you could, but you don't have to. It's just an option. Now, as for other things that you might need, and I'll spell Walmart, but Walmart is what I was trying to type. You can go to Walmart, your local Walmart, to find any type of like plastic bowls, plastic spoons, gloves. I'm just going to show you right here just a couple of options so you can kind of see the price point on, like, you know, plastic cups, not plastic cups, but plasticware to use, because you want to buy things that's disposable, because making lip gloss is very messy and it can make a huge mess. It can ruin your other type of dishes. So I really do recommend just using something disposable, something that you can throw away, something that really doesn't matter, something that you really don't care about messing up. So here's some spoons. These are some different price points. You can start at whatever amount you want. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to buy this online. Like I said, you can go into your local Walmart to buy these things, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to kind of just show you, you know, on their website, some different prices and things like that. So I think that we're going to start with this amount of spoons. You can get more. It really don't matter. I'm going to just show you, you know, just how much it costs for 48 spoons, which is a pretty decent amount. Oh dang, you can't even put this in the cart, so we have to find something else to add to the cart so that we can just kind of get a price point on how much everything's gonna be. So now I'm gonna see if I can find another set of spoons that I can just put in my cart, just to see, like buying the spoons, the bowls, and the disposable gloves, just to see kind of how much it's gonna be. Oh, now it wants to pop up. Wow, story of my life. But anyway, like I said, this is like 120 spoons for $4. You can't beat it. You'll probably be able to use these spoons for a very long time. Now we're going to look at some plastic bowls just to kind of see how much a pack of bowls would cost. Let's see, you can do like the styrofoam bowls. You can do like the nicer bowls. It really don't matter, but I do see a lot of people using the styrofoam bowls just because, you know, they're really inexpensive and they're lightweight, and it's just really easy to like mix up your glosses in styrofoam bowls. So let's see, we're gonna click on here and see how much all this would add up to. Let's see, 100 bowls it looked like for $5.98. Now we're gonna look at some disposable gloves, because you're gonna need gloves, because you always want to be sanitary when you're making lip gloss, especially if you're gonna resell it to other people or let your friends and family try it out. You just want to always stay very sanitary. So I feel like buying gloves is a must. You've gotta keep yourself sanitary. You have to keep it sanitary. I can't even talk right now. You've got to keep it sanitary if you're going to be making glosses and you're going to be reselling it to other people. So right now we're at $24.08, which isn't, well, wow, $20.31, because we just got some gloves, some bowls, and spoons. So if you really like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Check out some of the other videos that I have made, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one.